Hi guys, welcome again to the channel. In today's video I'm going to do a simple explanation what is Azure and also what kind of benefits can do for small business or persons that want to start a new business. So let us start. The first thing is, what is Azure? So Azure is a service of Microsoft. So the definition is a cloud computer service created by Microsoft, testing, deploy, and management application and service through Microsoft's managed data center. So most of the time we see this explanation, and the thing is that this doesn't clarify all the services that Microsoft Azure provide. Most of the people think that this is for web developers and deploying an application in the website. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the key element in Azure for small business and how it's going to save you a lot of money. So let us start. So when you are creating your own office and you plan to have like several computers, the first thing that you need to do is create a network inside in your office. So the first thing is that you're going to create like an architecture similar to this. You're going to have a server. Going to have several computers that will connect through an Active Directory to the computer, so that way you can manage the access. You are going to have the router that is going to provide information from the internet to the server to the computers. Also, you're going to have a firewall, so that way you will prevent all the stuff, junk, spam, and everything to avoid going in through your network. And you have the internet. So this is the basic structure for a network. So the thing is, with Azure, you can eliminate all these components. So you can avoid. You're going to always have a firewall to avoid issue, because no matter you're going to be in the cloud services, you still need some kind of protection. But the main thing that you can eliminate is the server and the switches. So in this, only the cost of the server and the switches, it will save you a lot of money. Remember, not only is the server cost, you need to think about the maintenance, how much money you're going to pay a person to maintain that server, also the warranty, and every 4 years you need to replace the server as a good practice. So let's see how much is the cost of a server. So this is a basic server for storage, has 4 terabyte, 16 gigagram, and this costs $1,800. So this is a basic server. Let's see, firewall, 330. Now switch. So we have like almost $3,000 here. And remember, you need to install the wiring and everything. So the idea with Azure is that rather than you having an Active Directory locally, you're going to have an Active Directory and also a storage space in Azure. So here is the portal of Azure. So here you can create your own Active Directory similar to the default Active Directory. You can create new users, and you can now, with the Windows 10, everything is already embedded in Windows 10. So rather than you going to assign a computer to a local Active Directory, the only thing is you need to assign it as an Azure Active Directory. So you're going to create your own network on the cloud rather than locally. And this, in anywhere in the world, you can access your portal. Also, you can access your documents, because you can create also a storage room So that way you can store your information there, documents, Excel spreadsheet, and everything. So here you can manage, you can create group, directory role, license, different resources that you have. So the idea and the benefits of Azure is everything's cloud-based. Everything's backing up to different servers. So you're going to save money also using your backup, because this is automatically backing up everything. Also, you're going to have almost 99% uptime, and you can expand your resources based on what you need. Rather than you buy a server that is already have 4 terabytes, you can start using the less space, and you can increase based on what you need. So this is a key element for a small business that are starting and also want to reduce cost, because you can create a network and you can create your email, your business email that is cost $5 right now. You can create your own network without any IT assistant, because this is very simple. This is only right now also is only creating your Azure account. You simple create your domain name, and create your users. You already, when you're adding the computer to the network, you select that as Azure network. So guys, if you want if you have any questions regarding this content of this video, please hit me or comment to this video. Also subscribe and also match the bell icon, so that way you will get notified every time that I upload a video. And remember guys, this channel is all about finding simple solution for you. And also you can talk to me in my social media. So thank you guys.